In this video, I will show you how to remove the System.io logo. So to do this, go and open up System.io, then go to the place where you want to remove it from. So in this case, I'll go with a sales funnel, then just open it up and you want to get to the editor. So click on Edit Page right here. Now, once you are in the editor of the place you want to delete it from, so you have two places right here, built with System.io and powered by System.io. Now, the first one here, you can simply hover over it and delete it right there. But the powered one, you want to go and click on settings, then here scroll down. And then here you can see display an affiliate badge to earn lifetime commissions. Now this basically means that if someone clicks on that and signs up to System.io through that button, then you will get lifetime affiliate commissions, I think 60%. But if you want to disable that, you will need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. Now their paid plans aren't that expensive. If you leave right here, you can see how much it will cost. So you can see the startup plan here is $32 per month, then webinar 56 and unlimited is 116. So unfortunately you cannot remove the powered by System.io in the free plan, but you can remove the built by System.io or something like that in the bottom by just clicking on the delete icon. But if you are using a paid plan, then just again go to the sales funnel, click settings, scroll down and then just untick that box. So now you know how you can remove the System.io logo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.